Okay, let's see here. This is, you can hear me over the air conditioner in here, is one of the DVD cleaning units, the automatic one. The other one I have is an old wore out manual one. This broke a gear. So what I'm going to do is try to print a 3D gear. Let's see here. I've had this open before, you know, to inspect what was going on with it, and hard to see the screws. Flashlight here. Okay, looks like I left just one screw. If I can get that screw to get my other screwdriver. There we go. Get inside where the gears are at. There we go. Push that aside. Let's see if you guys can see the gears. Pop that up. This is the gear. If you can see it or not. All these teeth, supposed to be the same dimension as these, that's stripped out. So it's not turned the mechanism. This is the gear I'm going to try to duplicate in Fusion 360. Now I'm still a newbie. I'm still trying to figure out how Fusion 360 works, but I'm going to give it a try, and I got to measure this, meter it and that, and do it up on the plan and see if I can print this. Now I haven't gotten my printer yet. I was just notified today that it was sent, so it's supposed to get here this coming Friday, and not exactly sure where I could set it up to use it yet, but this is the first thing I want to try to print to get this going again. As some of you out there probably don't know, my house burned down, and I salvaged a bunch of stuff from the ashes, and a lot of it was DVDs and stuff that I was using this to try to clean up. And I have recovered quite a few. Some, you know, were just too bad and I had to throw them away. And then this broke, so I haven't been able to do any more. So between items, you know, things that cups and things like that I was able to clean up and restore, and my archive of movies and things, I'd really be glad to get this going again, so I can get back to cleaning up the DVDs and CDs and restore everything. Get things back to normal again for me, somewhat, anyway. So I guess for right now, that's what I'm working on. I'm going to go to Fusion 360, take my meter, measure, write it down, and start messing with it. And I'll get back to this once I get it printed, and then I can complete this video on how it worked or didn't work. See ya.